So this first one is the kit by itself without any triggers on it, right? All right, so that's the kit by itself. This is the kit in the mix of the song with still without the triggers. No triggers, just the kit by itself playing with the track. All right, now here's the kit soloed with the triggers in there. Let's turn these back on, and this is what it sounds like. And then here's the kit in the mix with the tracks. Everything going, all the triggers on, and all of that. Here you have it. So again, night and day difference.